All right, so today I'm going to show you a BTC investment script that is very, very, very powerful. All right, I'll show you a bit, show you some functionalities, just show you around, let's say, just show you around the script. Then you check out the script and know if it is something you would like to have. So let me just get into my computer right now. I'll just get into my computer in a moment so that I'll start showing you one or two stuffs about this BTC investment script. It's really, really powerful. One of the most powerful scripts I've seen. It has a lot of features. It has a whole lot of features. All right. So let me turn my recording on. I'll be in my PC in a moment. Okay, so welcome to my PC. This is how it looks like. This is how the BTC investment website. This is how the script looks like. This is the front page. All right. As usual, you can actually use any kind of front page for your website. You can use any kind of front page. All right, for your website. But one great thing about this script is that this particular script has the option of six different templates that you can actually choose from. All right, you can choose from the template, so you have the luxury of choosing different templates. You have six options before you can decide to start going for other before you can start thinking of other front end designs. You must have exhausted at least the six you have here. All right, so I'm going to try to get into the admin and show you some of the functionalities just briefly before we end this video. I basically wanted to just show you this script and how powerful it is. So we are going to get into the admin in a jiffy. So just hang on a bit. Okay, so welcome to the admin of this beautiful script, this wonderful script. As you can see, this is the admin, a whole lot of functionalities. All right, this is the admin. So this is a live website right here, and look at people that have registered. All right, these are people that have registered here. And okay, total users here is where you can know the total users, active users, just as it is here. It's very, very, and the currency is this. The script has the option where you can change the currency. All right, this one is having this currency, so yeah, I don't even know what it is, but the owner of the website has the ability to set it up. All right, with whichever currency the person wants. So, but the major thing I like about this script actually is the templates. All right, if you go under manage theme here, you see that this script comes with 6 different front pages, so you can activate any one and it will just take up the websites. Look at them. This is the one the script is using. I think this one, this dark purple, then it has deep blue, gold, black, light yellow, light pink, and all these templates are very, very, very sound and okay. All right, I know every script, there's a lot happening on the internet, and every script has just one or two once in a while. But this is one of the scripts I've used, and I know that this is very, 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 like, I rate it 90%. We'll just leave the remaining 10% for benefit of nothing can actually be perfect. All right, but trust me, I give it 90%. It has a whole lot of things, so you have the ability to choose, so you don't have to worry about your website looking the same throughout your project if you're somebody that designs for other people. All right, and you still have the options to clone any website and use the front page as usual. I have a course on that, but for now let's focus on why we are here. All right, so these are the templates. This is one of the functionalities I wanted to point out. Then one of the functionalities, again, every other functionality is just the same as a normal BTC investment website, except that this one is better in all ramification. It has the email section. You can set up the email, plugins, manage language. Here's where you can change your logo, manage logo and SEO, manage content. You can edit all the content in the website right from here. All right, you can do all that right from here. manual gateway, this is where you configure your payment method manually. Here, this is where payment methods also here. If I click on this now, let's see, let me show you quickly. Look at it, as BTC, Ethereum. This is the one that is set up now. Alright, you can choose to add more. If I click on add now, you will see that to appear here, you can add more. The picture of the logo of your payment gateway, you can add it here, put the wallet here and some, everything is actually very perfect. I don't want to waste too much time on this video. I actually made an installation guide on how to install this script. So if you are getting this script from me, I will send you the guide, or probably even make a video for you. I just pray I have the time to do so, but I'll try my best to actually do that for you if you come for the script. And please, this script is pricey. All right, it's pricey because of the kind of value it has. So if you are here, I always give discount. I love to give discount a lot. So if you're watching this video today, I want to contact me today, you're going to be getting a discount as usual. All right, but don't come here if you are looking for something free. Please, you are not supposed to be here in the first place. If you're looking for something free, just exit from this place. All right, you can go for any other place, you can get free things, but we don't do free stuff here. All right, you need to learn. You need to learn to spend money to get value. So under investment, you can actually pretty much do everything you can do here. These are the people that has invested, completed investment, the one that is still reading, as you can see here. Like I cannot even start highlighting all the functionalities of this particular script. I cannot, but when you get the script, you get to explore more functionalities by yourself. Look at KYC, pending KYC log, all user. If you want to check out the users on the system, payout, payment request, like everything is actually here. But let's not go too deep. Let's move to the user dashboard quickly. One of the great things about this particular script is that you can move to any user's dashboard straight from the admin, so you don't need the user's permission or have the details to enter the person's dashboard. Look at what I'm going to show you now. Click on all user, for instance. You click on all user, for instance, you come down here and let's say you want to access this person's account. You can just come to this hamburger icon, click on it. You see edit, send email. You can send email directly from here. You can edit the details and you can just log in as user. If I click on login as user directly, it takes me into the user's dashboard. So let's just explore that and see how the user's dashboard is. Instead of going to log in from the website, we're still going to just enter a user dashboard straight from here. So I just click on this and click on yes. All right, and click on yes. So we just let it load. If your network is fast, it will be faster than mine. If your own is fast enough, but mine is relatively just okay. So this is the this is one of the script that is currently running this website. Sorry, one of the templates. This whole thing is a script. I call it a 6-in-1 script. It's like a 6-in-1 script, because it has 6 templates inside that you can actually choose from. And once you choose it, it affects everywhere, both the dashboard, the internal side of the website, and also the front side. So it affects basically everything about the website and the colors and everything. All right. So this is the options we have in the user dashboard. As you can see, it's very pretty on desktop, and even on mobile view, it's even more pretty on mobile view. So you can deposit here, invest here. Once you've deposited, you can now start your investment. All right. Okay, so let me just click on deposit and show you what I mean. If I click on deposit here, let's allow it to open up. This is a live website, so for those of you that will be asking if this thing is working, or people like to ask too many questions, this is a live website. This is actually, so if you want to pay through any payment, this is the ones who selected, who set up in the admin. All right, so if you want to pay using anyone, you can just click on pay now using anyone. So let's just select this one. Let's say pay now. You enter the amount. Let's say 5,000. Click on this PHP. Here is the currency selected. You can choose any. You can select any currency. All right, any currency at all, dollars. Any currency. So I click on next. If I click on next, they tell me please follow transaction limit. Okay, you can also set up the transaction limit. So I believe look at, they say transaction limit 10 to 0, so it cannot work on this this thing. Let's see if, okay, this one has 10 to, this is the limit. You can also set this up in the admin, the transaction range, all right, for each payment method. So on this now, look at 10 to this, so let's just put 5,000, sorry, 5,000, and click on next. You see, then click on pay now. So let's just allow it to just open up. Okay, it has opened up. So it says please follow the instruction, blah 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 blah. So, upload proof of payment. So after making payment, please make payment to the wallet. After making payment, you can now upload a proof of payment. If I click here, it will take me to my computer, and what should I select? Let's say I select this picture here, and let's say this is my proof of payment. I just click on confirm now. As soon as I click on confirm now, the admin should be aware that a deposit has been made. So the admin has to approve it from the deposit side, from the admin side, right, before it can be seen on the user's dashboard. I don't know if my network is fast enough. Okay, so you see they said your request has been taken. As you can see now, it's pending here until the what is it called, until the it's pending here until the admin approves it, right? So, and look at other functionalities. The plans is here. So once the admin approves it, the money will be here, and the person can now invest. So if you click on invest, you can now invest. Okay, I'll go back to the admin and so see, look at the whole options here. Basically, my referral, payouts, transactions, everything is actually basically here. Here is where you can, your dashboard, your my profile, 2FA security, logout. So everything is smart. I don't know what else to show in this script. I think I've shown a lot and enough. So if you are actually interested in this script, you know how to find me somewhere, maybe Instagram, WhatsApp, depending on how I want you to find me. So find me and get the script. I don't want to say the amount of the script here, but you can come with your offer. All right, let's know what we can do for each other. So thank you very much for actually watching to this point. So you've seen how both the user end and the admin end works and everything about the script. So thank you very much, and see you in my next video.